Hi everybody, in this video we answer a common question about inverse proportion in maths using another example. So in this example we have a variable y which is inversely proportional to the cube of x. And when this value of x is halved, what is the change in y? So first let's try to establish the relation between y and x. So first we can write y equals to k over x cubed. Then next I'll try to define a few variables to make answering this question a bit easier. So first we have x1, which is our original value of x. And we have y1, which is the original value of y. Then next we have x2, which is the new value of x. And this new value is when x is half. So therefore x2 is actually half of x1. And then finally we have y2, which is the new value of y. And this y2 is the value of y that we're trying to find when x is halved. So next, let me write down this expression first, y2 over y1. And this is equals to, in the numerator we have k over x2 cubed. And in the denominator we have k over x1 cubed. Okay. Because this fraction on the right is very complicated, let me try to simplify it a little. So y2 over y1, we can write it as k over x2 cubed, which is the numerator in the previous fraction, divide by k over x1 cubed, which is the denominator in the previous fraction. Then I will do this. Okay, y2 over y1 equals to k over x2 cubed. I'm going to replace the divide in the previous expression with times. And if we do that, we need to flip the second fraction around. So we have x1 cubed over k. Then now there's a common factor k in both the numerator and denominator. So we can cancel it off. So this simplifies into y2 over y1 equals to x1 over x2 bracket cube. And we call this equation 1. Okay, next we'll try to write down the link between x2 and x1. So x2 is half of x1. So I'll try to bring the half to the left, so it will become 2x2 equals to x1. And then next I'll try to bring the x2 over to the right. So we'll have 2 equals to x1 over x2. And we call this equation 2. Okay, the reason why we want this expression x1 over x2 in equation 2 is because if you see in equation 1, there's also the same expression x1 over x2. So by doing this, we can replace x1 and x2 by this value 2. So let's try to do that now. So we're going to substitute equation 2 to equation 1. So therefore y2 over y1 equals to 2 bracket cube. And this simplifies into y2 over y1 equals to 8. And therefore y2 equals to 8 times of y1. Okay. So what this means is that our new value of y is 8 times or 800% of the original value. So what this means that is a increase in 700% of the value of y. Okay. So therefore, this is the answer, an increase in 700% of the value of y. If you find this video helpful, do consider liking and sharing this video, and do consider subscribing to this channel. Drop me a comment to let me know what other content you'd like to see in this channel. See you in the next video.